Welcome to the Warhouse Gym channel, you guys. I'm Adam Steele, and this is Sheila.
This is Sheila Velasco.
Yeah, NBC national bikini competitor out here in the Warhouse Gym. And we have a very awesome segment to you. We're going to test out, and Sheila's going to demonstrate the proper way and how easy and functional it is to use our newest war machine, the overhead tricep extension, and amazingly enough, shoulder press. So, shall we? Yeah. So just gonna throw 5 pounds on the horn, keep it simple for her. Seat's simply easily adjustable, so we put it up for her because she's a little bit shorter. Nice petite gal, so show me, how easy is this?
It's pretty simple, and then this was really easy to take in and out.
Simple,
Yeah,
pull in,
sit.
comfortables.
Yeah,
With the easy curl bar, you can adjust your grip depending on how narrow or wide, kind of very ergonomic. Yep, and then even if you want to do shoulder press, yeah, super simple. Yeah, take her for a spin. And as you can see, when Sheila releases, by lifting the weight off the platform, she's able to release the spring loaded, so it has a brake that catches, and it naturally pulls back. So all she has to do to lock it back into place is put the pedal back down. Nice. How's that 5 pounds?
yeah, it feels good.
Isn't it? So a unique variation here is you can go from the behind the head kind of skull crush tricep extension right into a close grip tri press, kind of incorporating front delt, shoulders, and triceps as well.
Let's go back.
And then you can go back and easily traverse right back in to the overhead extension. And as you can see, both of these hind joints on either tie rod allow it to be stabilized, but not overly stable like a very unidirectional machine, but have the dynamics of balancing like free weights without just dumping the weight on. So still dynamic, but also directional. So it kind of compounds and makes it a bit more of an advanced machine for building and activating muscle recruitment.
I feel very
Oh yeah, I bet. And then when you want to set it down, what do we do? Perfect.
pedal.
And then you got it back. Super easy. Yeah, what do you think?
Feels great. I like it a lot.
Yeah, super easy.
Yeah,
Yeah.
did
So
a good job.
we haven't decided what we're going to call it. I was thinking of the skull cracker. What do you think? I don't know. There might be something.
Yeah, that's a potential.
Yeah.
Maybe we could think of something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
How's that
Feel
feel?
it. Feels
Yeah.
good.
No, I
It
feel
feels
like,
hitting all right here, pretty
yeah,
much.
way better than the original model, huh?
Yeah, when we first tried it, you fix it from going back too far, and then I feel like this is a good area to reach back,
Yeah.
because I'm not super tall. Yeah,
Right. It's not too far away, but it's behind you.
yeah.
And then, did you want to try go wide and see how the behind the head press goes?
So to the doing that.
Yeah. So get a comfortable width that you would do like a shoulder press, and bring thumb up, and then it's like that. How does that feel? Good.
That feels good.
Yes. Not too intense on having to force your head.
Yeah,
or
like
things
this.
that. Because it's already naturally kind of set behind you. So when I tried it, I like it because the seat's a little bit more narrow as far as comfortable support. So it's not too wide for your shoulders, to where I could actually bring my shoulders and set them back and
Yeah, you could.
easily pass behind my head without having to do that. I think it was really good.
Yeah.
Nice.
The bar moves really smooth, this night.
Yeah, it is.
So,
It is.
I like it.
Yeah, I like this thing a lot too. Man, it is. So anyway, you guys, thank you so much, Sheila. That was awesome. And she's going to be competing at Nationals in Vegas in just a couple of weeks. It's crazy. So we'll be having her on here, and you can see that too. Check that out in the link below. Awesome.
Yeah.
You're
Great. Appreciate it.
Cool.
Thank you guys.
Yep.